Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to borrow a minute of your precious time to hear about my proposal. This is an original branding name and logo for one of our outlet restaurants. I am envisioning that this restaurant would put an unforgettable dining experience for our guests here at La Jolla Luxury Resort.
CYCENE. It comes from the Old English form of kitchen, an area where food is prepared and cooked for later consumption in the commercial establishment or one's own dwelling. I'm sure that most of us had some fond memories bonding with our loved ones through food gatherings as simple as regular daily meals to occasional family reunions. Here at CYCENE, we value traditional home recipes infused with luxurious fine dining qualities that would make our guests feel at home while having a taste of an exceptional 5-star cuisine at the same time.
Thank you so much for listening.